Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can get to the climbing tower, which is a challenge tower in a township tale. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, what you're going to want to make sure is that you have this gear, which is denoted here. I am, by the way, using a article from Reality Remake since I do not have a VR headset myself, but this tutorial will be just fine without it. But yeah, what you want to make sure is that you have a leather backpack, which makes sure that you have enough space. You want to have a weapon, an axe would be best. Get a teleportation potion in case you need to go back, but however you shouldn't need to. You want to grab food. You will be able to forage mushrooms, however grabbing food just to have it will be a good way to save time. You also need at least one dynamite stick, however 2 is preferable just to have a backup. You can find these from chests, but yeah, 1 dynamite is absolutely needed. And another thing, you need something to light a fire with, such as a flint and a rock. And that's pretty much it. That is exactly what you need. Now, once you're packed up, what you want to do is go to the mines to start out. And instead of going down to the pit, take the path on the right hand side, and it leads up over the mine entrance, and it leads to the teleporter. Even further past the teleporter, there's an empty chest above the mines, and there's another path leading to the rocklands. Once you're in the rocklands, that's where it'll get rough since you're gonna be seeing Turabatas attack you. Once you're here, you just want to go and run past them since they are slower than you, and you want to make your way to this sort of darker gray rock. Once you're here, you want to throw a dynamite stick at it. Once you do, it will pretty much be destroyed and you can go further on. You can do this by setting the fire that I mentioned earlier. Destroy it and go through and you'll be at the tarn. Once you're here, you need to make your way to this bridge where a Turabata is guarding it. You can either kill him or just go past him and just continue forward. Make your way to this sort of wooden bridge which is broken and rebuild it with 100 wood. You can do this either by killing goetras or by harvesting wood. Once you're there, build the bridge and you'll go to the climbing canyon. Just climb all the way to the top and you'll be at the climbing tower. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.